Hi everyone. In previous session, we have seen the method that is max-min and min-max principle in order to solve the game theory. Now, this is the one more method in order to solve the game theory problems, and that is dominance principle. So, in the name itself, it is their dominance. Dominance means here in a game theory, in the payoff matrix, there is presence of rows and columns. So definitely one row will be dominated, or one row will dominate the other row, or one column will be dominated or will dominate the other column. So in those situations, we will remove one row or column depending whether it is a row or column. How to eliminate that one? So like that, we are going to find the value of the game and who or which player wins the game. That can be find out using the dominance principle. So now without any late, let us find the solution for the given problem by using dominance principle. So now see here, this is the problem given to us. Solve the given game by using dominance principle. So this is the problem given to us. So and this is the illustration directly I have used, which was solved by max min and min max principle. The same thing I have taken, right? So for a better understanding, now I have taken the a 2 by 2 problem. 2 by 2 problem means the number of strategies used by player A are 2 and the number of strategies used by player B are also 2. Player A strategies are 2, player B strategies are also 2. So that's why it is a 2 by 2 problem. So now we will see how to find the solution. So now I am writing the given payoff matrix as it is again. So I am writing in a short names Aditi to go by car to go by two-wheeler, and next Sahiti to go by car and to go by two-wheeler. So -5 2 -7 4. So now how to solve it means, first of all we need to do, or we need to check the dominance in rows, right? So this is the first row and this one is the second row. Each value in a row should be greater than or equals to of the another row. See here it is -5 and the corresponding element in the next row is -7. So which one is higher? -5 is higher. So this one is row 1 and this one is row 2. Next, here the next value 2 and the corresponding element in the next row is 4. So here which one is higher? 4 is higher. So if you take the first value, in this situation row 1 is dominating row 2. Row 1 value is higher. So that means I am saying row 1 is dominated by row 2. Row 1 is dominating row 2. But in second value, row 1 is dominated by row 2. That means row 2 value is higher. But we need to check the entire row should be dominated or should be dominated by other row. In that situation only we can eliminate either row or column. So here if in the first value row 1 is higher, in second value row 2 is higher. So completely it is not dominating the other row. So that's why we cannot move to the next step. So now we checked the rows, then check the columns. So now this one is the first column and this one is the second column. So if you check the columns, this is the column 1 value -5 and this one is the column 2 value. So in -5 and 2, which one is higher? 2 is higher. So that means column 2 is dominating column 1. Column 2 is dominating column 1. That means column 2 value is higher. Similarly, if you check the second value, -7 and the corresponding element in the column 2 is 4. So in -7 and 4, which one is higher? 4 is higher. That means column 2 value is dominating column 1 value. So both the values in column 2 are completely dominating the column 1 values are equals to. So here both 2 is greater than -5, 4 is greater than -7. So row 2 is completely, column 2 is completely dominating column 1 values. So that means what can I write? So T, Sahiti T two-wheeler values are greater than Sahiti car values. So what can I do means, whichever values, which column values are higher, we need to eliminate that column. So here Sahiti two-wheeler column values are higher. So whichever column values are higher, we need to eliminate those column values. So we need to eliminate this column. So Sahiti two-wheeler values are greater than Sahiti car values. Then eliminate Sahiti two-wheeler column. Then what is the next matrix it will come? So if you see the next matrix, then it will be Aditi car two-wheeler Sahiti. Here two-wheeler is going to be eliminated, only car will be there. Then what are the car values? -5, -7. 5 -7. So this one is the matrix, reduced matrix, right? So in columns checking, whichever column is dominating the other column, that dominating column should be eliminated. That means the higher values column should be eliminated, right? So keep that in mind. But for rows, it is completely opposite. So whichever, when row values are higher, we need to keep that row, and whichever row values are lower, we need to eliminate that row. So let us see that one also. So now this is the reduced matrix. So now 2 by 2 gets converted into 2 by 1, right? Now again check for row dominance. So here we are having two rows. So in the first row the value is -5. In the second row the value is -7. So which value is higher? -5. So -5 is greater than -7. So here that means row 1 is dominating row 2. Row 1 అంటే that means row 1 value అనేది row 1 అనేది row 2 ని dominate చేస్తుంది. So that means row 1 value is higher. So that's why we need to keep row 1 and eliminate row 2. So here lower value is going to be eliminated, but in columns higher value is eliminated. So now write that statement. That means Aditi car value is greater than Aditi two-wheeler value. So that's why then eliminate the lower value. What is the lower value? Minus 7. Lower value row is T. So Aditi two-wheeler row. So if you eliminate this row, then what is the reduced matrix? Aditi car, Sahiti car. It is minus 5. Now we got only a single value matrix. So it is nothing but our answer. So then what is the value of the game? Therefore, value of the game is equals to minus 5. So what is meant by minus 5? For rows it will be a, if minus is present, for rows it will be a loss, for columns it is a gain. That means Aditi loses the game by 5 minutes. Then write that Aditi loses the game by 5 minutes, or Sahiti wins the game by 5 minutes. Anything is right. Now what is the strategy used by two players? Aditi is going to select this strategy to go by car, and Sahiti selects the strategy to go by car. Write that. Optimal strategy is selected. Aditi selected to go by car. Similarly, Sahiti also which strategy selected to go by car. Write that one. Sahiti selected to go by car only. So like that we are going to find the value of the game and who will win the game, and also optimal strategy selected by the players can be calculated by using dominance principle also. If you check the previous video, the answer for the problem will be same. So if you did not see that video, I am going to add that video in the cards. So please check that video. You can better understand. Right. So like this, we are going to solve the problems in the game theory using dominance principle. So if you understand this problem, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and share this video to the others. Thank you. Thank you everyone.